Hello, residents and friends of Otterbein St. Mary's. I wanted to get on here again today, as I have each and every week, to just give you an update as we are navigating this unprecedented time of COVID-19. We do have some restrictions that we're going to talk about today, just as some reminders to stay safe, as well as just a few changes that we have had in this week that I wanted to tell you about. So just some restriction reminders. We are restricting all visitors to Campus Center at this time in our skilled nursing, as well as assisted living and independent living, as well as all of our Campus Center. And we are adhering to those restrictions and being very cautious at this time, as we know this is a time of uncertainty, and we do not want any of our residents as well as partners to become sick with COVID-19. So we're trying to abide by all the restrictions that are laid out before us at this time. And as you know, the Ohio Department of Health and Governor DeWine produced a stay-at-home order. And we've talked about this, but I just want to remind you that it is very important that you are only getting out of your home or traveling when it is necessary. Make sure that it is a necessary reason that you are getting out and being amongst people in the public. And I want to strongly encourage you that you are following this order, as well as really limiting visitors into your home, if having any. I know that is difficult, as we want to be out with people. Restricting visitors is just very important at this time. So try to restrict yourself, to your home or your apartment during this time. Again, I want to remind you, those independent living residents that would have an appointment that you need to go out for, when you come back, you do have to be in isolation for 14 days, and we'll continue to monitor you through our wellness by doing your screen daily. So I just wanted to remind you of that. If there's a reason you need to go out, please let us know, and we will put those screenings into place. I do want to encourage you again to get out in the fresh air, get out to walk and bike, and just take a break. Get out on your patio if you can, just to get outside and get some fresh air. That is really important. If you have questions about this or you have a need, we're here for you as your leadership team and clinical team. Please contact us at 419-394-2366, and we can help you if you do have a need or a question about any of these restrictions. So I wanted to go through some things regarding our grocery orders, because we are going to have somewhat of a change with this, and you probably already noticed it on your channel 4 scrolling. This week, we will be doing our orders from Kroger. However, we've had some difficulties with that. Kroger's running out of a lot of things, and the ordering process is getting a little more difficult. So we are teaming up with Pantry Pride, our local Pantry Pride, and they are going to be teaming up with us. So next week, our order will be from Pantry Pride. Again, the same process for you. You will complete your grocery list by Thursday at noon, get it to Yvonne or her team, and they will place the order. Pantry Pride will be delivering to us, and we'll be disseminating the orders out by Friday. So I just wanted to let you know of that change. It will not be Kroger starting next week. We'll be partnering with Pantry Pride. Again, we are delivering meals. So if you are not on the meal plan, I want to encourage you. Many of you have added to the meal plan, which is great. I think it's a great idea. We will deliver your meals to you. If you're not on the meal plan or you want something special that day, you can contact the kitchen before 9:30 for lunch and by 3 for dinner, and they will get out your meal to you that morning or that afternoon or evening. So if you're not on the meal plan, you can still order. If you are on the meal plan, you want something different than's on the main menu, please inform us and we'll get it out to you. So let's talk about partner visits and visitation. Again, the governor is being strict about visitation to your home, and we want to keep you as well as the partners as safe as possible. So you'll probably notice this week that more partners are wearing masks, and this is not it's really just an abundance of caution. We are trying to do everything we can to keep you as well as the partners healthy. So you'll probably see people masking more. The directive is that to wear a mask if you are going to be within 6 feet of one another, as well as visiting for more than 15 minutes. However, some of our partners are taking extra precaution at this time. So you are going to see more masks out while they're visiting you or while they're delivering, those kind of things. And when we're handling food, all of those kind of things, we're just trying to be very cautious about as we're learning more about this disease and how we can take precautions. So we are very fortunate here at Otterbein St. Mary's that we don't have a partner or resident that have tested positive for COVID-19. But we also understand the spread of this virus continues and that we have to be very diligent at this time that we're trying to keep everybody safe. So don't take the masks personal. If they ask you to mask, again, it's in precaution for the partner as well as you. So as we're doing direct care, if you're on our wellness services and we're doing any type of direct care, they may ask you to mask also, as well as do our preventative screen, as I explained last week. Again, if you are getting wellness services, they will screen you, or if they're going to be in the home for more than 15 minutes, they will ask to do the screen on you and take those precautions. So it's really, again, for the safety and well-being for you as well as the partners. Again, just some reminders to keep you healthy at this time. Wash your hands. I can't say it enough. You've probably heard this on the news over and over. This is the biggest thing as far as staying healthy, is washing your hands, doing it for at least 20 seconds. As I said last week, say the Our Father while you're washing your hands. You can get some prayer time in while you're washing your hands. The other thing is to really self-isolate. Also, keeping that social distance. If you do have to be around other people, make sure you're keeping that social distancing of 6 feet. The other thing is, and this is one I have a hard time with, is not touching your face, your nose, your mouth. So that's the other way, is not putting your hands up to your face. If you do that, again, wash your hands after you do it. Just trying to refrain from touching that face, nose, or your eyes. And I get it. This is allergy season too, so we're going to be dealing with some allergies, and it's really hard not to wipe those eyes during this time. If you're experiencing a fever or a cough or any type of shortness of breath that's a new onset, please contact our wellness nurse and we can help you get help immediately. We're here to support you, and we want to be very cautious about those are the 3 main signs of the COVID-19 is a cough, new onset cough, as well as shortness of breath and a fever over 100 degrees. So I encourage you, take your temperature every day. Just make sure you're staying on top of it. Last, I know refraining from visitors is so difficult. I know it is really a difficult time. I hear it from you. I know you're lonely out there. I know some of us haven't seen our family, or we are family. We haven't seen each other. And so our team is going to be checking on you. We're going to make visits on Thursday from our team to bring you something special and just check on you. We probably won't be entering your home to do a long conversation again, because we're trying to practice that social distancing and follow our orders. Maintenance will also be visiting you weekly to make sure that everything is okay in your home if you need something. Again, if you do need something, reach out to the maintenance building, 419-394-6123. They'll be able to help you. You can do your work order that way. You don't have to wait for them to visit or catch them. So you can call them, that's fine too. But they would like to visit with you and make sure that everything is okay on a personal basis. If you are in need of other services, please contact us. Or if you need support, we're here for you. So please contact the business office. They'll get you to the right people that can help you. Again, that number is 419-394-2366. You should have all these numbers right on your magnet, which should be on your refrigerator. But again, I know sometimes we lose those things, and this is just that reminder. Again, know that we are here for you. We are a part of your family, and I know the health and safety of you all is so important to our team, and our partners are also at our top priority is keeping them healthy to continue to care for those that are so vulnerable and that need us. Just know our leadership team and our clinical team is working so diligently during this time as we are preparing to handle more precautions and more restrictions that may be coming to us. As we learn more, we'll continue to keep you informed, as I am each and every week getting on Channel 4 to keep you informed, as well as sending letters out, to you. But if you do have any concerns or questions, again, reach out to us. In the meantime, stay up on Channel 4. There's some great things that Yvonne and her team are doing to keep you entertained on Channel 4. Also, I encourage you to call a neighbor here. Call someone and check on them. Just chat with them, because people are lonely and missing one another and their interactions each and every day. Also, check on a friend that may live in the community. Check on them, see how they're doing. FaceTime with your family at this time. Let's get engaged with one another in unique ways through those social media platforms that we have available. If you need help with that, our team would be glad to help you to know how to do FaceTime or Skype. So reach out to us and we can help you with those things also. Just know that your safety and your health is our biggest concern. If you need us, we're here for you. Thanks so much and have a great week.